And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, just stepped outside just a couple minutes ago and it's getting sunny. It's pretty humid out there as well. The rain that we had is really making way for a pretty humid, warm afternoon. And the sun is coming out, except for our far northeastern counties. Rochester sitting at 63. I'll tell you why. We're sitting 71, Lafayette, Attica, down the river, Covington 71 as well. There's still some of the showers. The rain exiting Fulton County. Miami County had a few showers and storms. Had about 1/10 of an inch of rain there here in Lafayette, but notice the cloud cover starting to leave the area. Northeast of Rochester, seeing a little bit of those rain showers leave the area, and we'll be left with some dry conditions. Notice in central Illinois, plenty of sunshine and warm air. That area is starting to kind of energize itself up with the sun, a cumulus field where we're seeing cumulus clouds kind of start to form. That's where we're going to be seeing those storms start to pop up due to all that air warming up out in front. So Futurecast is showing those showers moving out of here, and here are the storms popping up in central Illinois. These will continue to move off toward the north and east at about 40 to 50 miles per hour. And here are the storms moving in. This is 4:30 in the afternoon, probably around 3 to 4 o'clock. We'll be watching these storms in Illinois moving into our area, and each one of these cells could be strong to severe, but the later on in the day, the more severe they will be. You can see each one of these cells could have large hail, damaging winds, lightning, heavy rain, and also some tornadoes. Especially if you are further east, that's where that better risk will be for more severe weather. But once we get past 6, 7 o'clock, we are in the clear for the rest of the night. Tomorrow morning, waking up to maybe a little bit of patchy fog, but it should be a fairly dry rest of your Wednesday. More clouds come in by the later portion of the afternoon, and then we'll be watching another round of strong to potentially severe weather for our far southern portions of the viewing area. I'm thinking about Lafayette and southward to Kokomo, and then a few scattered thunderstorms late Wednesday into Thursday. But for right now, we are underneath that level 3 from Lafayette, Crawfordsville up toward Winnemac and eastward, underneath that enhanced level 3 risk out of 5. Damaging winds, large hail, and possibly a few tornadoes, some of which could be strong, especially again further east could see those stronger storms or those stronger tornadoes. And for tomorrow, main time frame about 4 to 9. Today will be about from 2 o'clock in the afternoon to 7 in the evening. Tomorrow a little later, damaging winds, small hail, and isolated weak tornado can't be ruled out, but the threat has definitely shifted southward since yesterday, but still can't rule out a couple of stronger storms for tomorrow. So the afternoon plan of the rest of the day, we'll be seeing that main time frame again between 2 and about 6, 7 o'clock. We'll be watching those storms, things clearing out tonight pretty nicely. We'll be up in the upper 70s, gusts up to 30 miles per hour right from the southwest. So we're seeing that influx of moisture from the south, that warm air, the sun coming out, all ingredients to set up for some severe weather this afternoon. So be sure to stay weather aware. Chief Meteorologist Chad Evans is in here right now actually getting ready to get his forecast ready and everything getting ready for the 5 and 6 show, which should be pretty active on radar. For tomorrow, plenty of sun in the morning. 82 for a high with a low chance of storms by 6, especially south. And if you're underneath that storm this evening, may get to about an inch of rain out of that storm, but by Thursday we could see some areas about 1/10 of an inch. Some areas could see roughly 1, possibly 1.5, depending on where that storm kind of bubbles up and goes and right over. So a 70-degree day on Thursday, scattered storms and breezy. Will cool down to 64 on Friday. 60s for the upcoming weekend, 69 on Mother's Day, and we'll be back in the 70s for the early portion of next week.